Crack stitching is a permanent and effective method of fixing cracks in brick walls. First, the mortar is removed to a depth of 300 mm along the center of the crack. A high-pressure hose is then used to remove any remaining dust and debris from the cavity. A high-strength polymer grout is then inserted into the cavity using specialist tools. The specially designed high-tensile reinforced steel bars are then carefully inserted into the grout. The high-strength polymer grout is then pushed into place so it completely encases the reinforced steel bars, and finally, the whole area is repointed. Visit northwestdampproofing.co.uk for a free quotation.